Здравей, Дede.
Те не са научени да ядат нещо от някой.
И по-добре.
Не, да не
му дават нещо, дето.
Не идва. Чакай, чеши се.
Leo.
Come
That's
here.
not our one, and they make a piece because they like to make it beautiful.
And you're over the flowers.
Oof.
Did you never have?
You can look from the street.
Yes.
Shh. Silence, don't touch anything.
That ladybug. Wow.
Where?
Това е много дребничка, аз как ги знам какви са.
Just bring it here. Let's see. What color it's?
То пречи на заек.
Orange.
Orange.
Look, now it's jumping.
It's jumping.
Finally.
Don't touch anything.
Yes. Oh my god.
Значи има още.
Три трябва да са големи и
They
едно
don't
маничко.
even electric.
No, they don't have.
You said that this had electric, didn't it?
Maybe.
But it didn't.
They didn't.
So, you want the ladybug?